Hey guys, I'm here at Monte Rocella. I'm here to give you an update of the progress of this beautiful project. Come with me. Well guys, I'm here again with Will. It's been like 9 months from the past video, so let's see what is the progress in this project, and also what is the best deal that we have right now in this project. Okay, thank you, Will, for again taking me in your place and giving me your time. So we want to know a little bit about the progress that we have here in Monte Rocella.
Great. Well, yeah, it's been about 9 months, a lot of progress. We do have the biggest project here in Cabo San Lucas, so between the two phases, just under 400 condos. We'll start delivering the first phase in July, and then we'll be delivering the first phase throughout this year. We're about 85% sold out, so we do have a lot of deliveries. But construction's been going well. We've been told quite a few times that we probably have more workers on site than all of the other developers in Cabo. But it is a big project, so there's a lot to do. We are doing our own cabinets and kitchens on site, so that's helping with the speed of the progress. We're not waiting on an outside vendor to help us with that.
Thank you. Okay, perfect. And you mentioned like this is the biggest project in Cabo San Lucas, right?
Correct.
Perfect. I love that. Okay, so I want to ask you, what is the best deal that we have right now?
So we have a couple different condos that I would say are the prime units at a good price point. So we have a unit that's $375 cash. We normally offer financing, but there's some circumstances that go along with this. But ocean view, pool view, an amazing unit. I do have a penthouse that has a private rooftop with a pool. That unit is $439,500. So 2-bedroom, 2-bath, private pool, ocean view, full ocean view, amazing property. And then we have a couple others throughout. We do also have some units starting at $299. They don't have a view, but they do come with fully furnished with a private pool in your garden.
Okay, and the developer is still offering financing?
Yes, we are. We're offering 50% financing up to 8 years. We can go 10 years if necessary. So we do 5 years at 9% or 8 or 10 years at 11%. That's directly with us. There's no credit check. There's no pre-approval, and it's also no prepayment penalties. So that's available to all buyers, foreign or Mexican. So really easy payment plans. We do have deliveries all the way till the end of 2026. So if you do need some time to pay that first 40–50%, that gives you some time to do that.
Okay, beautiful. Let's check a little bit of the progress. I'm seeing right now like we have already done the pool here. It's not available, but you can appreciate the way it's going to be. And actually in this area, we have the fire pit.
Yeah, so we do have a pool here. It is an infinity edge pool. We do have a little swim up bar. We have the 3 fire pits, and there'll be a little water feature down there. Underneath the pool, we do have the gym, the movement room or the yoga room, as well as the showers and restrooms below. And what we did is we put all the amenities below the pool to try to keep as many views as possible. Instead of having structures on the property, here's the gym over here blocking these views, And then we'll also have these same amenities in phase 2. So we'll have this exact same pool, gym, yoga studio. We also have a co-working space that's 2 levels with a rooftop. So if homeowners or guests want to come and work, but want to have a private area to do meetings, they can do that in the co-working space. So a lot of amenities on site. We'll also have some areas for fire pits and other locations as well.
Okay, what about the model unit? Is available? Or?
Yes, we can definitely go look at the model unit. We're in the process of and we'll start
the first unit that we were in last video.
Exactly. So we'll deliver that starting in July. So we're moving to building 11, so we'll have an amazing view from the new model unit.
Okay.
And another feature that we don't talk about a lot, but we have the arroyo that runs kind of diagonally in front of the property.
Okay.
And what that does is gives you a buffer where you can't have another developer come in here and build a building directly in front of the property. So that's a nice feature that we have, being up on the hill and not having to worry about somebody coming in and putting a building right in front of us.
Okay, perfect. Will, tell me a little bit about what unit do we have available in this building facing the arch?
So we have this unit right here. It's a second floor.
Okay.
In building 6, which would be the ground floor. So we have ground floor units in building 7 that has ocean views. We just sold the last one of those. We're in the closing process. But that unit right there is the one that I have for $375. So 2 bedroom, 2 bath with a furniture. No, that one does not have a furniture package. The rest of them do, but that is a special circumstance.
Okay.
And then that one doesn't have financing. We have a penthouse up here.
Okay.
Amazing view. That's probably the prime penthouse that we have in the property because you have ocean view, pool view with no obstructions.
Yes, perfect. Can we take a look at those units?
Definitely.
Okay, let's
Let's
go.
And then right here we have a 1,000,000-liter cistern. So we have all the permits from the government for water. So we'll have a main pumping station here. So we'll have high pressure to the entire building off of one central location with the cistern here. We'll have a little lobby here, and then we'll have the main security gate for phase 1 located right there.
Amazing information, because in Cabo, in many places we have problem with the water, and that's gonna solve that problem.
Yeah.
So we are going to take a look of the penthouse.
So this is a corner unit. The second bedroom has a little terrace off the back. We do offer the lock-off option where they can rent that as a studio. And there'll be a louvered door here, so there'll be access for the lock-off.
Perfect. Laundry area.
2 bedroom, 2 bath, stairs to the private rooftop. And all of our garden units and penthouses come with the splash pool.
That's a pretty view. Okay, this is another penthouse.
It's a 2 bedroom, 2 bath penthouse, same floor plan as the model unit. So it has this, because you have the little stairs cutting out.
It has a private rooftop.
Private rooftop, you'll have a stairwell that goes up to the rooftop. Private rooftop, ocean view, full ocean view with a private plunge pool.
Okay. Okay, for our investor that wants to put these units on Airbnb, how much do you think they can get per night?
I would say in the penthouses with the private rooftop between $200 and $250 a night. And then your normal units on the lower levels, probably $150 to $200 a night. We will have on-site property management. The gentleman that runs that company worked for Marriott. So if you have the furniture package that we provide, he has to have it at certain standards. He can get you in the Marriott vacation program. So you'll not only be on Airbnb or VRBO, but also the Marriott program, which I don't know anybody else in Cabo that's doing that. And then he's got all kinds of awards from Airbnb. He's done a really good job. He's a Mexican company. They're in other areas of Mexico. And as far as what I know, this is the first property he's doing in Cabo San Lucas. But with our company, we never obligate you to use the on-site property management. If you have somebody else you prefer, if you want to do it yourself, you're more than welcome to do that. We're not tying you down to one property management company, which sometimes doesn't work out. Personalities, people want to do their own thing. You're more than welcome to do that.
Okay, perfect. I have another question. For example, if I get a loan with the developer, when is the time that I start to pay the loan?
So you're going to have 2 phases. You're going to have your prepayment before delivery. So that's going to be the 40 or 50% down. That's all down payment. There's no interest. And then once you take delivery, we'll do a thorough inspection of the property with the homeowners, with our delivery team. They're going to do a punch list. If there's any little details that need to be fixed, they're going to fix those immediately. And then we're going to give you the keys, and you can take that over and start renting it right away. And then normally the following month is when your first payment's going to be due for the mortgage that's directly with us. So when the client comes down to take delivery, the first thing he's going to do is sign the the financing agreement between he and our company, and then he's going to do the walkthrough probably that same day, take delivery of his unit, and then he can start.
Okay, and as soon I get the condo, I can give you the unit to put it on Airbnb and start making income and start to pay the loan.
Exactly.
Which is very nice and convenient, because if you get the furniture package, it's well decorated and ready to go on those apps.
Exactly.
For rent.
Yeah, you're gonna have probably
nice.
a couple days doing your details, getting your sheets, getting all your details, but all your hard furniture is here, so you don't have to wait months or 2 months to look for that, find it, get it delivered. It's all set up, so you should theoretically within a week to 2 weeks take delivery, have it on the market.
Beautiful.
So the penthouse I have would be like this floor plan, but I do have a ground floor in phase 2 like this, and then I have a penthouse in phase 2 with a private rooftop and pool. So you have what I call the master bedroom on the normal units. Then you have a second bedroom, you can do a lock off, and then a kind of a secondary master, so 3 bedroom, 3 bath. And then this has the upgraded kitchen. So this will be the next model unit. And what's kind of unique about this building, because normally all the buildings on all the end units have 3 bedroom, 3 bath.
Okay.
But since this one doesn't, they put a little terrace over here.
Okay.
So this will be, if you did the lock off, you have a little terrace, and you could do a little table out here.
Take a look. Okay, this is the main entrance, and then you have the room with the private entrance, which is the lock off unit in case you want to rent it.
Yeah, this is a nice little income. If you're living here full time, you have a second bedroom that you can use for guests, or you can rent it out either nightly or monthly or long term. Also, if you want to come down in the busy season, you can stay in this and still continue renting out the main section of the condo. So what it does, it just hits you 3 points. The low end of the market, the middle, just a 1 bedroom with all the living space, and then a 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So you have 3 price points between the studio and 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So.
Okay.
I think another nice feature is these windows do fold back tri-fold, so you can open bedrooms and the living room all the way open, indoor, outdoor. This time of the year, I don't think you'd ever have those doors closed.
So this unit is available or is already sold?
This unit is sold, and we're
Okay.
actually moving the model unit to building 11
Okay.
that has amazing views. And that unit, we actually are going to move it to the 3rd floor, and we sold that unit during the planning, so we're moving it to the 4th floor, but that'll be available as well.
Okay,
So.
perfect. Okay, right now we are facing the view from the new model. This is what number?
This is 11-401, so the 11th building, 4th floor.
building.
What's nice about the building 11, you have the arroyo directly in front, so that's federal land, so you don't have anybody that can build all the way down to the arroyo. So beautiful views. This unit is available, so we're right around $500,000 for 2 bedroom, 2 bath. It's got a little terrace on the back as well off the second bedroom, so you have 2 terraces, one towards the mountains, little ocean view from the back terrace, and obviously this view is spectacular.
Yes, if you haven't seen the past video of Monte Rocella, well, you can see the difference between that video and this video. You will know all the information that you need to know about it, okay? And if you want more information, contact us. We are to provide you all the information you need, and we are gonna give you all the units that is available for you to purchase. And you know, guys, if you don't wanna have your money sitting on the bank, this is the opportunity to invest. Yeah. Give me a second. Hey guys, I'm here at Monte Rocella to give you an update of the progress of this beautiful project. Come check this and let's check it. Hey guys, I'm here.